Microsoft Planner and Microsoft Loop serve different collaboration needs, and most users choose wrong by assuming they overlap. Planner is built for structured task management with boards, assignments, due dates, and progress tracking. Perfect for teams executing repeatable workflows, sprints, or operational projects that need visibility and accountability. Loop, on the other hand, is designed for dynamic co creation, where live components like task list, tables, and notes can be embedded across Microsoft 365 apps and updated in real time, making it ideal for brainstorming, meeting notes, and evolving content that lives across documents and chats. If your goal is predictable execution and reporting, Planner is the right tool. If your team thrives on fluid collaboration and shared context, Loop delivers better flexibility. So basically, that's it.